Yo, what's the deal? How y'all doing today, man? Happy Thriving Thursday to everybody. Hope you're doing amazing. You know what I mean? What's going on? How you feeling, family? Happy Thursday to you. Director Newman. Y'all have to hop back on live, sir. I have to hop back on live real quick. Today, I got a phenomenal young lady about to join me on live real quick. This young lady, she's hailing out of that Dallas market, that Dallas, Texas area. Yo, that's my sister in success, y'all. I can't wait till she come online. I get the chance to introduce y'all to her. We've been working together, say for like the better part of last year. And we just been able to build some, oh yeah, look, she done hopped online. I see what's up, Nita, hold on. Let's see if we can get it, yeah, as she's connecting. Yeah, we've been working together like the better part of the last. Ooh, check her out. That's my sis right there. What's
Yeah,
that, Anita?
what's goody?
Man, how you feeling today, man?
Listen, I'm highly blessed and favored, baby. I'm good. How are
Come on
you?
now. Looking amazing as ever, right? Right?
You too. How are
Yeah.
you?
Thank you. I'm beautiful. I'm
I
beautiful
get so
today.
fired up when we work together. You know that, right?
Right? I was just
Get
saying,
so
like,
fired up.
I was just telling the people, like, yeah, we've been working together for like the better part of the last year, and
Mm-hmm.
just been able to like really build like relationship and partnership.
Oh
You
yeah.
dig? What's up, Z? I met that young lady out in San Diego. That young
Hey.
lady right there is phenomenal right there. I give a shout out to her. But yeah,
Yeah.
Nita, like I was just telling people, like the fact it's beautiful that we get to build a partnership and a relationship in business and success. You know what I'm
Facts.
saying? And it's developed. You know what I'm saying? It continues to grow,
Yeah, we
right?
bounce off each other all the time. So with ideas left and right in business and in
Yeah.
life. So I love that.
So look, real quick for the
Mhm.
people who don't know who Nita is, real quick. Let me get a little spiel who Nita Lynch is. Let the people
Oh
know
my
what's happening.
goodness. Yes, well, I'm Miss Nina Lynch, originally from New York City, currently residing in Dallas, Texas, the great state of Texas. I'm a mom of one. He's 19, in college doing his thing. And I work for the federal government now. I have a 10-year background with the Department of Corrections, though. But yeah, I love it over here. 5 years in the business.
That's what's up, man.
Yeah,
Look.
I love it. I love it. I wouldn't
And
trade this for nothing.
hey, real quick, how'd you even find the travel business real quick? Like,
Man, so I
how'd you
already was
find it?
yeah, I was already moving and shaking, traveling as a single mother all the time, especially in corrections. I had to get away a lot,
Hmm.
right? So
Right.
my best friend, who was always hanging out, going places, doing stuff, and she found it. Matter of fact, I think he's on the line. A good friend that she went to college with had introduced her to this guy, and she happened to follow him on social media and seen his
Hmm.
that he was moving and shaking and living the life. She reached out to him. She got in business. She was like, "Yo, I found it." Because our relationship, I trusted her. I didn't see anything. She's my best friend. She knew that I was about my business. I knew that she was about her
Right.
business. And we both was about this money.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
long story made short, I trusted her. I jumped right in. I was her first business partner. And
Come
we
on
still
now.
like this 5 years in.
5 years
Absolutely.
in now.
Yeah.
And so, like, in your 5 years of doing this, what's your favorite thing about doing this business?
You said my favorite thing?
Your favorite thing?
Ooh. All
I
right.
know
So
that's hard.
I have
Well,
more than one. Can I say a couple of them? I
you
have a
got a
couple
couple of them. Give me
favorites.
your top three.
All right, top three. My favorite thing about this business is being able to sustain in between paychecks, in between my
Mm.
government job. That's the favorite thing, some extra income. My second favorite thing, and it probably should be my first, I took my son to Dubai for his 16th birthday because of this business. Now, granted, I could have taken him as a single mom, had to punch the clock a little harder, but because of
Right.
this business, I was able to take him on pennies. So that's my second favorite thing. And the third favorite thing is that I have so many people that's attached to me that's winning. That in itself means a lot to me. So those are my top three. And the order probably just whatever the order is. I have one, and one. All three are my number ones.
Right. Ain't none of them better than the other. I love that
That's a
so
good
much.
question. I love that.
Yeah. I had to ask that too, cause like I've been doing it for 4 years, right? And in
Uh-huh.
my 4 years, we had some success, right? And you said something so key. It hasn't just been my success. It's been other people that's attached to me. They've been having success as well. So that's been super amazing. Like I gotta give a shout out to my guy Josh real quick, who I met at a Larry June concert. You do what I'm saying? I met that brother at a Larry June concert. Asked that brother for a lighter, right? Had no
Wow.
intentions on building businesses and partnership and related. We I'm just looking for a lighter. But I guess that's a sense of partnership right then in itself, right?
That part.
You
Listen,
did. But
if I don't got it, you got it. If you got it, that's what's
and
up.
and we didn't know what was gonna stem from that interaction right there.
Hmm.
Right? He's now helped 3 families get on the money side of travel so they can bring extra income to their household.
I love
Right?
it.
Which is crazy. And one of them is a TSA worker, so he had to experience that government shutdown, but
Shut
had
down.
this right in his
Hmm.
back pocket. Okay, cool beans. Didn't know that was going to happen.
I love
Right?
it.
Didn't know he would be able to tap into his entrepreneurial mindset.
Hmm.
Right? And
Hmm.
not only learn how to build this business, but build other businesses. Right? Because
Hmm.
now he went from a W-2 9 to 5 employee, now he's an entrepreneur.
That's what it's about.
Right? You do what I'm saying? Now he can build his own. He has a
Love
mindset and
it.
awareness to build his own. So that's key that you put it right there, man.
Love it.
So my next question.
You
You
didn't
know, I got
prepare
some
me for
good
none of these
questions.
questions either.
Yeah. So
Impromptu, I love it.
we already 5 months in. We already 5 months into this year, right? What's
Hmm.
been your favorite trip that you took this year so far?
My favorite trip? Come
Yeah.
on, bro. Come on. Ah, my favorite trip was when we did a collaboration January 18th weekend in Colorado. That's my favorite trip so far. As far as business wise, that's my favorite trip.
Mhm.
Yeah,
That that right there was set the tone for the year
yeah,
of partnerships and collaboration.
yeah.
Like that
For sure.
set the tone for I was talking about this with Director Newman earlier. That set the tone for us learning the art of partnerships. Right? There's a
That,
science to it. There's a science
that.
to it, but there's an art to it as well.
Hmm. Hmm.
We are now modeling and experiencing the art of it. You do what I'm saying? Because we come from 2 totally different backgrounds, 2 totally different people, things of that nature, right? And learning how to bounce off each other. Right?
That's what I
The art
said. It
of
was like,
it.
it was so dope.
Yeah,
It was so
yeah, yeah.
dope.
That
And I
was a
learned a
really good
lot.
trip.
I learned a lot that weekend. And I said that's one of my favorite weekends because it kicked off the new year. The momentum was definitely there. I just was on the phone and said, yo, I'm going to Colorado. He said, I'm coming too. I'm like, word? You like, yep. You showed up. And our collaboration was just crazy. Like, you see what I'm saying? That's what brother and sister and success, that's what it means. Now, we're
Yeah.
not just talking about brothers and sisters and success. We actually show it and show up for each other. So that part in itself, that is unmatched. Like, nobody not getting that nowhere else. Over here, we get that. We get that
It's a
over here.
difference.
It's
It's a
just
difference
different.
between saying it and actually doing it.
Facts.
Right. And that's one of the things about partnership. Even when we talk about partnership in this business, it's like you don't gotta be perfect. You don't gotta know
Hmm.
everything. Just show up.
That's it.
Just show up. You do what I'm
That's
saying?
it.
Be open to
Facts.
learn and show up. And we will figure this out along the way. And that was
Together. Keyword.
together, yo.
Hmm.
That was my aha moment this week.
Yeah.
I like a
Yeah.
revelation this morning. But that's not
What
my
was your
aha moment.
favorite?
My favorite trip, it has to be that one too. But to throw some diversity in there, man, we've been moving. Hold on.
Just talking.
We've been moving. And Colorado has been because I went to Colorado twice this year already,
Hmm. I
and
remember that. Yeah.
and yeah, I had a really lovely experience out there.
That's right.
You
Talking
know what?
shit.
To stay
I
in the
like that
spirit
lady
of
back.
collaboration and partnership, I'm gonna go to our trip that we just took to DC,
Okay.
Maryland
I
area,
was gonna say that one
right?
too. Yeah.
Because to stay in that partnership and collaboration spirit, I enjoyed y'all so much.
I know.
And to fly all the way from LA, clear across the country, right? To go kick it with like-minded people, sharp
Yeah.
individuals, working with one vision, one voice. You do what I'm
Mhm.
saying? And in a totally different space for me. You know what I'm saying? Totally different space for me. But for us to do that, we talked about business, making money. We talked about vision. Then we went to go break bread. We went to go bowl. You know what I'm saying? Had a really fly restaurant. It was amazing. And we talked, listen, we collaborated more and it went into the following week. It went into the following
Facts.
week. We came back on fire, right?
Yeah, we did. We did.
So
But you know
yeah,
what? It's so crazy because not for nothing, I'm gonna pat you on the back, and pat myself on the back too, because together we're dynamic. It's just what it is. It sounds crazy, but it's just what it is. We just
yeah.
are. We bounce off each other on so many different levels. Like you said, the meeting after the meeting after the meeting, just chilling in the
Yeah.
car. We're just talking about life stuff. So my point is, you don't get that everywhere,
Mhm.
right? You don't get that everywhere, but you get it right here. So that's the part that I want people to understand. Like, it's not, it's nothing but genuine. I
Mhm.
can't put it no other way. Like,
Real talk.
it's just the fact. And I'm gonna put this out there publicly. You have mentioned that, and I don't know if your viewers know this, that you're an introvert for real. You don't really fool people like that. Unless you have to. Feel me? But like I'm
Right.
like, hey, ooh, how you doing? I'm that person. And the fact that I was able to bring it out of you, that in itself means a lot to me because you was like using the cut. You ain't doing all that.
Yeah, I do.
Right?
And that's that genuineness. That's that
Talk about that
genuineness.
for a second. Talk about
And
that for a minute.
and energy cannot lie.
Mm-hmm.
That's the premise of it. Energy cannot lie.
Mm-hmm.
And you bring a very genuine energy
Thank you.
to my world at least. You know what I'm
Yes, I love
saying?
it.
And I'm like, okay, cool. Like, and I see your vision and things of that nature. So when we talk and we have conversations, a high level conversation, I can get with that all day long. We
Mm-hmm.
don't gossip. We talk about ideas
Right.
and concepts
Mm-hmm.
every time.
Every time.
Every time, right?
Every
What we
single
doing
time.
next? What we working towards next? What we got
Mm-hmm.
going on? And I think that's what brought it out of me for sure to want to
Mm-hmm.
talk to me. You brought me out of my shell. Like I don't do
I
all
love
this.
that.
I
Listen,
don't do
I'm gonna
why
tell the
why
whole
see
world
you. I'm
that
like, all
story.
right.
Like, listen, okay? Because that means a
Yeah.
lot. Because again, I'm like, me, I bought you out your shell and you teaching me so much stuff. Listen, I'm popping you out that shell because we just talk so much and we collaborate. And again, collaboration is everything to me. Relationships are the real currency these days. And friendships and genuineness just don't go unnoticed. You know what I mean? So I'm
Man,
big on that.
and
I'm big
it,
on
and it
that.
goes a long way. And we don't
Yeah.
know. We're enjoying this moment right now, but we don't know what's gonna stem from
Mm-hmm.
this.
Mm-hmm.
My favorite quote that I always quote every time I get on here is any fool can count the number of seeds in an apple, but only God can count the number of apples in a seed.
Come
I
on
love
now.
talking that talk right there because we don't know how many apples, how many fruit is going to stem from this seed
Don't
right
know.
here. This seed of friendship, this
That's
seed of
right.
collaboration, this seed of partnership. We just
Mm-hmm.
don't know. So,
Facts.
what we're going to do is we're going to believe and we're going to expect a great, abundant harvest from this here
Yeah.
relationship. You understand me?
That's
All right,
it.
my next question. What events or trips do you have coming up that you are looking forward to that you would like to promote right
Ooh.
now?
Ah. What trips I got coming up that I'm excited about? I can't
Yeah, let
stop
me know.
smiling. Like my cheeks
Let,
hurt. My cheeks hurt. Your question was what events I got coming up that I'm excited about?
hmm
As far as business wise or just in
Whatever you
general?
want to
Like
share,
what's
whatever's on your heart.
all right, I have a couple of them. Um, my favorite island in the whole one of my favorite islands is Jamaica. So I'm going to Jamaica next month. It's well overdue. Relaxation,
Come on
vacation, chilling.
now.
Yeah, taking bay, relaxation. But my second one is in July when I link up with you and the crew.
Hello.
With you and the crew.
Hello.
You and the crew, okay? You and the crew, all right, in July. So I'm excited about that. Of course, I'm excited about International Convention. That's when everybody gets together. So I'm excited about that. It's just so
Mhm.
much stuff I'm excited for. My sister's getting married in Tobago, Trinidad and Tobago, in October. So I'm excited about that. I got a lot of excitement going on over here, right?
Yeah. It's lit over
But
here.
yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to.
Look, look. All right, so dang, we
How
lit.
about you?
Look.
I'm throwing it back at you. What about you? Talk to the people too.
So this weekend, I'm actually staying home this weekend, y'all. I ain't on no plane this weekend.
What?
How about that? Right?
Not you.
Something's wrong.
Right.
Nah, I definitely wanted to take care of home base this weekend. So I'm actually host two events back to back out here in LA, right?
Mm-hmm.
For those of my people who's in LA and would like the details, go ahead, tap in with me. I would love to share those with you, right? Um, we will be heading out to Miami next month.
Yes.
Yes, 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 yes. Gonna deal with those Eagles out there in
Yeah.
Miami on that $40 million mega
Yeah.
yacht. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Going down Millionaires Row, looking at all the beautiful houses. You do what I'm saying? Get a
Yeah.
chance to connect with my mentor face to
Mm-hmm.
face, and we get a chance to discuss business concepts and
And
ideas in person, right? I'm gonna be a sponge. I'm gonna be like a fly on the wall. I'm gonna just be soaking it all
yes,
up, soaking
please
all the game
do
up. You understand
that
me?
part.
So,
Mm.
yeah, super excited for Miami. I actually get a chance to meet this young man who I met online not too long ago, partnered with us in business a couple
Mm-hmm.
weeks ago. We could get a chance to meet for the first time out
Oh
there.
wow,
So I'm super
that's
excited
dope.
about that. Shout out to
That's
Ron Rage, man. Big shout out to Ron
dope.
Rage. What we got coming up? Oh yeah, July's gonna be lit. I ain't gonna be no dead horse, but like July is already done. Y'all be on the lookout for that. All right. International convention in Orlando, that's gonna be
Mhm.
different. That's
Yeah,
gonna be different. That's
whole
where the
different
leaders are
industry
made.
going into that.
That's where the leaders are made. They say if you really want to 10x your income, right? And I seen it happen. I'm a product of it. Nita, you're a product of it. You really want to 10x your income, you go to
Oh yeah,
convention. You get
right.
around 7,000 other like-minded individuals. Y'all bounce off each other. Y'all sharpen each other. Watch what
Yeah.
happens. Watch what happens. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Super excited about that. Going to Belize as well. Yeah. So I'll be out to
Yes.
Belize that whole week of our trip in July. Like I'll be in Belize that whole week before come back.
Uh-huh.
I go to orientation to go back to school, and then the next day we go on vacation.
Wow.
Hey,
Wow.
y'all better get y'all some residual income, man. Real talk.
That
Real
part.
talk. But yeah, Nita, this has been fun, man. I ain't gonna hold you too much longer. I do
Yeah,
want
I'm
to
good.
thank
For
you for
sure.
taking some time, just to hop
Yeah.
on. Before we do hop off, I do want to share with everybody. Come join us tonight,
Oh
right
yeah.
at 5 p.m. Pacific time, 7 p.m. Central time, where we share our testimonies every Thursday. Come hear some real stories, real experiences that
Yes.
we've had. Nita, anything you want to share about that tonight?
Listen, just saying tap in. Look, at the end of the day, just hear the stories. It's powerful and what this business is doing for us. Everything we know that everything is not for everybody. However, it's a matter of not if it works, but are you going to work? Because there's 145,000 of us around the world, right?
Right, right, right.
22 countries that we're in currently. So this business is definitely changing lives, state to state, city to city, worldwide. So just tap in, get the information. If nothing else, hear it for yourself. And that's just it. And then thank us when you do. And that's all I got.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Well, look, Nita, again, I want to thank you for coming on, sharing some of that beautiful energy with us.
Thank
Right,
you.
love you, Queen.
I love you
Um,
too,
yeah,
King.
and we love
My
y'all.
brother for life.
And there's nothing you can do about it but love
I
us
love us
back.
back. That's right.
You know what I mean?
That's
And
it.
we're gonna see y'all one or two places. We're gonna see them, Nita.
Listen, the beaches of the world or the bank.
Hello.
Hopefully
Hopefully
at
we see
both.
you at both.
At both. Tap in.
All right, y'all. Peace.
Bye.